So I was chosen, or I guess I was paid to do the garage to clean. It's already clean and stuff. These big old shop vac, it's really fun to use. So then, I realized, in any vacuum, there's always going to be an exhaust where air is flowing in and out. Otherwise, you won't get enough suction. So I thought it'd be funny because you see, there's the suction side and then there's the air blowing side. So then I read 6 horsepower, 170 miles per hour blowing. I thought, well, blowing, that's pretty fast. So what I'm thinking is what huge embarrassment I can really do to myself by putting my face, or should I say my face, above the blower. And I don't know, I haven't seen pictures of it, so let's see what happens. This is really, oh my, I don't really like this at all. That was really stupid. I might could do that again, maybe later, but not on camera.